Hello dears, let we start experiment number first of quality control lab. The object of first experiment is case study on X bar charts and process capability analysis. So first of all, what is X bar chart? So an X bar or R range chart is a pair of control charts used with processes that have a subgroup size of 2 or more. The standard chart for variables data X bar and R chart help determine if a process is stable and predictable. The X bar chart shows how the mean or average changes over time, and the R chart shows how the range of the subgroup change over time. It is also used to monitor the effects of process improvement theories. As the standard, the X bar and R chart will work in place of the X bar and S or median and R chart. Means in X bar chart or R bar chart we find the capability. Means in a number of systems we find the capability of yes and no, then we plot a chart against them. What does it look like? मीन्स एक एक्स बार चार्ट या आर बार चार्ट जब हम बनाते हैं तो मीन्स किस तरह से वो दिखाई देता है. तो the X bar chart on top shows the mean or average of each subgroup. It is used to analyze central location. The range chart on the bottom shows how the data is spread and it is used to study system variability. तो हम देखते हैं किस तरह से एक्स बार चार्ट आपका प्लॉट किया जाता है, किस तरह से दिखाई देता है. सो लाइक दिस मीन्स इस तरह से नंबर ऑफ अपने पास स्पेसिमेन या सैंपल्स होते हैं जिनके ऊपर हम एक्स एक्सिस या वर्टिकल एक्सिस पर मीन्स वैल्यूज़ को पुट करते हैं. फिर देयर आर द नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स. फिर अब उनको जो पॉइंटों को मिला देते हैं तो हमारे पास एक कर्व बनता है या एक चार्ट बनता है. तो हमसे हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं कि अबोव एवरेज और बिलो एवरेज हाउ मैनी पीसेस लाई. So next is when it is used. You can use X bar or R chart for any process with a subgroup size greater than 1. Typically it is used when the subgroup size falls between 2 and 10, and X bar and S charts are used with subgroups of 11 or more. So use X bar and R chart when you can answer yes to these questions. First is, do you need to assess system stability? Second is the data in variables 4? Third is the data collected in subgroups larger than 1 put less than 11? Is the time order of subgroups preserved? These are the some questions. If you have the answer of these questions, then you can start your work. Now is process capability analysis. A process is a unique combination of tools, materials, methods, and people engaged in producing a measurable output. For example, a manufacturing line for machine parts. All processes have inherent statistical variability which can be evaluated by statistical method. The process capability is a measurable property of a process to the specification expressed as a process capability index or as a process performance index. The output of this measurement is usually illustrated by a histogram and calculations that predict how many parts will be produced out of specification. Two parts of process capability are: first is measure the variability of the output of a process, and second is compare that variability with a proposed specification or product tolerances. In the Six Sigma quality methodology, process performance is reported to the organization as a sigma level. The higher the sigma level, the better the process is performing. Okay, thank you.